Like, hey, this is Mr. Hook 76. Hey, y'all make sure you like, subscribe. A like is free. So, before I start off saying anything, I want to go back out to what the video from Real Time Spotlight. And so I got the video, so I want y'all to check this out right here. Let me know what you think. I'm going to comment at the end of the video. Let's go. So, I want you to know what y'all think about this. Should the cops got involved, or should the parents got involved? I think before they even got the authorities involved, they should have got in contact with the parents. That should have been the first call that should have been made. Basically, this child was throwing stuff around. I didn't catch that first part of the video. I just really want to show, hey, this child was put in handcuffs. And I got a back and forth with somebody on commenting saying that he wasn't arrested. If he wasn't arrested, why were there torture cuffs on the child? Obviously, the child was arrested, but they're saying it was for their safety. I think before anything, the first thing they should have done was call their parents. If your child is acting up in school, you call their parents and let them know what's going on so they can get down there and handle the situation before authorities are involved. That's my opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Please comment and let's get this conversation going. I think the school was wrong to call the authorities. It should have been the parents. So y'all think the parents should have been called, or you think the authorities should be called? And another thing, do you think that the child was arrested? Let me know what y'all think. Like, share, comment, and remember, a like is free.